This is your poor boy, and this is the official relaunch of my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back, and I'm excited to bring you, the viewer, new and more content. I finally bit the bullet to build a video editing PC that can handle the tasks elevated in my videos. The laptop just wasn't cutting it. It's taking 2 hours to render a video. Let me know if a PC build might be something of interest to you in the future. But yeah, here I am showing you some more drone related content and some other hobbies of mine. I will be primarily focused on educating with the hopes of inspiring you, the viewer, to get after whatever you may pursue. I hope you'll follow along and see what's in store for our channel. I'm changing and revamping the channel just so I'm not just constrained to drone related content. I've run into many obstacles on my path of creating a channel, and it's my hope to help others find some answers they may be looking for. I'll still be primarily focused on the drone hobby, but with YouTube I've found so many answers to questions I've had, and some I've had to do some searching for myself, and I'd like to share with you, the viewer. I'd like to give a special thanks to my longtime subscribers. Thank you. You're beautiful. And hang in there. I have so much more to share with you. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button. Hit subscribe. This is your poor boy. Peace out.